What I'm doing today is to change oil my 2009 Honda Pilot. Do it yourself. Every time you see this warning in the dashboard, it's time to change the oil and filter. I've done all other maintenance inspections previously. What I'm going to show to you today is only oil changing and filter. Let's begin. The tools I need are filter, 4.5 quarts of synthetic oil, drain plug washer, funnel, bucket, filter wrench, and 17mm wrench for drain plug. Let's begin. First, as I warm up the engine so that the oil viscosity is low for faster draining. Then, I need to lift the car for easy access of filter and drain plug. I have a quick jack and will set this up. Once the car is high up, it's time to open the hood. Open the filler cap. This would allow me for quick draining of oil by gravity. Then, let me remove the drain cap and with a bucket underneath. Drain the oil until it stops dripping. Install the drain plug with a new drain plug washer. The recommended torque is about 29 foot-pounds. Remove the filter. And ensure the old O-ring is not stuck to the engine casing. Wait until it stops dripping. When installing the new filter, observe for cleanliness. Avoid any debris that can contaminate your engine. Put a little bit of an oil to the new O-ring. This would protect the O-ring from damage upon tightening. Put a small amount of oil to the filter. This would eliminate any air pocket in the system. Replenish with a new oil. Until the correct level is shown in the dipstick. Do not overfill it. Better to add oil than to drain again. Reset the oil light or service alarm warning from the dashboard. To reset, the digital display should be in the oil light mode. Go to the oil light by pressing this button. Hit the reset button for about 10 seconds. The reset display will appear. Press the arrow up to reset it.